Welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell how to outline products and services in business plan. You must adequately summarize your products and services before drafting a business strategy. It's critical to have a clear understanding of your products or services in order to effectively communicate them to others. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of your business and forget to take the time to really nail down the specifics. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of clearly outlining your offerings to potential customers and some tips for how to do so effectively. Having a clear and thorough outline of your offerings can help potential customers understand exactly what they can expect from your business. This can be important in industries where there may be a lot of competition or confusion about what different companies offer. By clearly outlining your products or services, you can differentiate yourself from the competition and make it easier for potential customers to choose your business in addition to him. Having discussed the significance of defining your goods or services, let's discuss some advice for doing so successfully. First, be sure to concentrate on the specific qualities and advantages of your goods or services. Customers are frequently more interested in what your offering can accomplish for them than just the technical specifics, so make sure to draw attention to the distinctive qualities and advantages that set your goods or services apart from those of the competitors. Another suggestion is to be as thorough as you can be. It's important to keep your outline clear and understandable, but it's equally crucial to provide potential clients with enough information to make an informed choice. Pricing information, product specs, and any warranties or guarantees you may have. In addition to explaining your products and services, it's a good idea to include visual aids to help show your offers, such as product damage or charts. This can help clients comprehend and recall your products and services. Taking into account how you will convey this information to potential clients is also crucial. This might be as simple as making a product or services page for your website, printing brochures or flyers, or even practicing your elevator pitch before meeting with potential customers. Last but not least, don't be shy about seeking comments or recommendations from clients or even prospective clients. This can help you spot areas where you can improve. In summary, describing your products or services is critical to operating a successful business. It helps potential clients understand what you have to offer and makes it easier for them to choose your company. By focusing on the specific features and benefits, you may properly explain your products or services and position yourself for success by being as detailed as you can, employing visual aids, and taking into account how you display this information. Stay tuned for more updates.